Good morning. My compliments, congratulations on setting up this state-of-the-art facility here in Hyderabad, in Telangana. In recent years, we've managed in the last half a decade more so to have a large number of global OEMs come to India and more particularly to Telangana and Hyderabad. OEMs like Boeing, Lockheed, GE, Airbus, Ruag, Sikorsky, UTC, CFM, Saab, Honeywell are already here in Telangana, and now I'm delighted that Boeing is also joining this long list and who have chosen Hyderabad as a preferred destination. While this facility, as we've just heard, will manufacture aerostructures for the Apache helicopters, I'm sure it won't be long, as was pointed out by Ambassador, that we can take it a step forward and possibly also manufacture a full-fledged, full-blown aircraft right here. Currently, Telangana and Hyderabad has one of the largest defense ecosystems in the country, defense manufacturing ecosystems in the country, with more than 10 DPSUs, more than 25 large domestic manufacturers, and more than 1,000 small and medium enterprises catering to the supply chain as well. Large number of skilled workforce is available here, and in fact, the government of Telangana has a very unique program to tailor-make any kind of skill set program which will ensure that whatever you look for in terms of semi-skilled or skilled positions, we would be able to provide competent, skilled workforce in grade manufacturing, defense electronics, and also precision engineering. We also have 3 dedicated aerospace parks in Hyderabad today. The one where we are seated is Adibhatla, Nadargul, and then we also have one which is adjunct to the Shamshabad International Airport, which is currently run by the GMR Group. Our industrial policies are considered, have made it really easy to do business in the state of Telangana, and therefore Telangana today as a state ranks number 1 on the ease of doing business index as well. And on the quality of living index, Hyderabad continues to take the number 1 position in the country for the last 3 years in a row. And we are also considered an extremely safe city, and which has got a great cosmopolitan fabric as well. I request Honorable Raksha Mantri to consider setting up a defense industrial production corridor to go through this extremely important strategic location of Hyderabad. With this defense industrial production corridor has been announced by the Honorable Finance Minister in the budget, and I hope Madam will consider to set this up going through Hyderabad as well. Telangana is also hotbed for innovation. We have India's largest technology incubator called T-Hub, and now we are also in the process of setting up India's largest prototyping facility called T-Works. We also have started, in fact, leveraging our strength in aerospace and defense, and we look forward to setting up an exclusive center of excellence, center of innovation in this sector as well. I request Madam Raksha Mantri also to support the state's initiative on defense electronics and also a defense incubator that we would be setting up here.